Hello, and welcome to another dose of money intelligence for future millionaires. You're here because you're interested in making the most out of your life and money. We're about to discuss the best performing asset classes and industries of 2020, and what are some of the best ways to make money in 2021. Number 1. Real estate. You're probably waiting for property prices to go down. Well, many smart investors have already begun acquiring properties. The pandemic has forced some businesses to sell their properties that they wouldn't do otherwise at discounted or fair prices. The profit is made when you acquire a property, and the pandemic proved to be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to acquire undervalued great properties. 2021 is probably going to be another great year for real estate prices since interest rates are incredibly low. Number 2. Gold and silver. With the government printing so much money during the pandemic, the prices of gold, silver, and even Bitcoin goes up and our wealth increases naturally. In the long term, hedging your investment is a great way to secure and grow your wealth. The average return of gold in 2019 was 18%. In 2020, returns of gold were close to 30%. Silver is also at 30%. If you have your purchase with a market collapse as many investors did, you would have seen even higher return as long as government keeps printing money. Alternative assets will be an incredible investment. With another round of financing and government assistance becoming a reality to help revitalize the economy, purchasing these assets will allow for even more opportunities for your investments to grow. Number 3. Electric car companies. Electric cars are being the biggest winner of the stock market, despite the news and despite the industry pushing against it. If at the beginning of 2020 you invested $10,000 in Tesla stock, you would now have over $70,000. If you invested in NIO, which is China's version of Tesla, and they're the biggest electric car manufacturer in China, your money would grow 10 times. So if you invested $10,000 in NIO stock at the beginning of 2020, you would now have over $100,000. One who was paying attention could have become a millionaire with only a $100,000 investment. Number 4. E-commerce and consumer-type businesses. Pandemic hit many small businesses were negatively impacted, but many consumers stocked up on everything they could buy, shopping from local stores or online. It became a norm for some to start ordering their groceries online. Amazon and Target shares have increased over 60% this year, and they continue to be strong investment options. Number 5. Renewable energy. If the electric car is any indication of where the money is going, the renewable energy industry as a whole will be one of your safest growing industries. Many have been able to double their money in renewable energy this past year. We all know that solar and wind are booming. You have probably seen campaigns even in your many countries where main energy providers are boasting about how much money they're investing in renewables. Their technology is getting better and better every year, and the technology is expanding rapidly. Number 6. All online technologies will continue to grow strong. Zoom video conferencing software, DocuSign, and other similar online software, online entertainment such as Netflix, Apple, Google, Facebook, and Microsoft have seen huge returns and continue to stay strong. Number 7. Tourism industry will grow strong and have seen great returns once the vaccine becomes largely available. We'll see the more people are looking forward to a new vacation, and we expect to see major chains such as Hilton, Marriott, and MGM to see great returns in near future. Number 8. Index funds. For those lazy investors that want your money to grow consistently without too much risk involved, we recommend index funds such as S&P 500. The S&P 500 index fund continues to be among the most popular index funds. S&P 500 funds offer a good return over time. They're diversified and about as low risk as stock investing gets. An index fund includes the top companies that you invest in, all of them at once. Index funds are a great reflection of the U.S. economy and have performed strongly for the past 30 years, with an average return of 10% annually. We will list some of the top 5 best index funds of 2021 in the description for you. Number 9. Pick your own favorites. Buy a share of the companies that you use and love. You're here because you're looking for advice on where to invest your money. Now look around. What are you buying these days? What services do you use? Buy their stocks. If you get your coffee from Starbucks, purchase some of those shares. If you wear Lululemon, Nike, or Adidas, buy some of their shares. If you love electric cars such as Tesla, then buy some of their shares. If you have not started investing yet, check out Robinhood, Vanguard, Fidelity, E-Trade, and discover a great way to build wealth and growing your money. Number 10. Invest in yourself. It is an important truth that investment in yourself pays the best dividends. So all successful people always recommend make sure that you take great care of your physical and mental health and always spend time and money on yourself to learn and grow. This is a single decision that can change the rest of your life, and 2020 proved to be a great example of the importance of taking good care of our physical, emotional, and mental health. You're watching this because you're truly working on mastering your life and your money, and we are here to help you. Great job listening. Leave a comment. Tell us which investment option is your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to receive a weekly dose of money intelligence.